ithetha ethi abantu badalwe ngokulinganayo kodwa abanye abantu bacinga okokuba bangaphezulu kunabanye. Yintoni unobangela waloo nto? Ukubanga igunya, wonke ubani ufuna igunya lokuphatha. Izizwe zidala iimfazwe ngenxeni yokufuna ukulawula. Ukususela kweyona ndoda esisityebi kuyokutsho kweyona ndoda elihlwempu elala estratweni. Bonke banxanelwe ukulawula, namandla okuphatha, nefuthe lokubizela nokuyelela abanye abantu. Ingxaki yeli futhe linamandla okwakha, libuye lichitha-chithe, lifana nomlilo obhanguzayo. Abanye bangasinda kuwo, abanye ungabatshabalalisa. uThuso Tau wayelithanda igunya lokuphatha, endaweni yokokuba alisebenzise ngokwakha, walivumela ukuba lichithe yonke into ayakhileyo.
Today, that at least some of you still remember where we come from. It really humbles me that we still remember all the slogans that our mothers and fathers sang to liberate this country. But we are here today. And until we win the land, until we get the land back, this country will never be free. I'm one of you, you know. I was born here, you know, raised here. I know your pain. I know.
Ndiyanixelela zihlobo zam, uThuso ngumntu onyanisekileyo, mkholelweni yonke into ayithethayo. Nokuba ebengaphosiseli abantu, mhlawumbe bezixokisela engaqondanga.
Amandla!
Ke ne ke misi ntle le senatla sa dinatla a le botlotlo ka wena o itshwara sentle.
Ke a leboga koko wa bona gore le nna koko gone banong ke batla fela gore ke lwele ditokelo tsa lona so that le lona le gone enjoy, you know, the fruits of democracy koko.
Ke a leboga ngwanaka modimo a go tlhonolofatse.
Ke a leboga koko, thanks. Blessing.
Emre,
Yeah.
we're
growing, and from here nalona ra kena province it's clean.
provincial. Nalwen, we go national.
Parliamenting.
Mr. Tau.
Pizza Tuesday. This is my friend Mike, Deputy Chairperson here, YNDP.
I'm Palisa Tabani from a Jersey Journal. I would like to interview you.
No, there's no problem. What's one like the journalist? I mean, by help, I know societies to worry, but what's on Lerona?
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Most people think you're very ambitious. Are you going to take over Gauteng?
No, it's not about ambitious. I mean, you know, but you never raise South Africa, never even President Yamutomun to hey, what? What's all no? That's not being over ambitious.
So are you saying YNDP is going to take over Gauteng?
No. What I'm saying, YNDP is going to take over. I mean, the fact is, at the end of the day, we're going to bring change. You know, the change that our people want.
But
what? Our people want change. That's all they're looking for. And Arona, we are here for a change. You know what I'm thinking? I think it's enough of this politics. But if Arya to hang out to go Mike's place, chill, have a drink, you know, and then we continue this discussion. I mean, I want to show you a bit of razzmatazz, you know.
Thank you very much for the interview, sir. Bye.
No, come on, are you leaving? Just like that?
Yes, I'm done.
Do you know where you will be begging me when? umkopa interview a sa tse ke le president ene go tla ba go le thata ke sa tholagale.
Abantu abasemandleni ingathi banyoluke kakhulu. Ukususela kudala ngexesha lokhokho asikayazi impendulo yombuzo nje olula. Ingaba bethu iwonga lenze umuntu alambe okanye ingaba indlala inika igunya lokulawula?
So, Mr. Tau, Tau.
You know what I was thinking, baby? I mean, I was saying to myself, you know, wow, such a beautiful young woman. Udira Mupira, you know, Tatsori Guloi and all of that. And all I was saying to myself, you know, you deserve better, you know?
That's why
No. Today it's your lucky day. It's your lucky day. You come to me, Ronago YND, we offer you something better.
No,
this has got nothing to do with skills, my darling. You know, this is about women empowerment. You know, making sure that women are in right positions. You know, well positions for the future. You understand? So Rona at YND will make sure you get the right job, be paid well, so that everything in your life just go. You understand? Papa can see. You know, if you don't mind, later today we can hook up, ne? At a friend of mine's place, you know, more Deep Cliff number 238, and then we'll decide what position we offer you, and then when can you start, the kind of remuneration you can get. You gone? Just trust me, you gone, my darling.
Serious?
I'm telling you, babes, you deserve better, and now you got it. Yeah.
Okay.
So I see you later.
Definitely.
Yeah. Oh, please. See you then. Okay.
Bye, Putau.
Bye, eh? Mwah. Yeah. You know, I thought you were going to scoop me up, eh?
Hayi kaloku sananzi ukwazi besende yami phanda yakhoboza emsebenzini kaloku so that's why ndize ngoku.
I see.
So ndize ngesithembiso sakho uthozane kumsebenzi.
Yeah, no, I'm very passionate, you know, about women issues. And, you know, because I want to wanna, you know, but to women balekana lwena was struggle, I understand. You understand?
Yeah. So that would make me happy because emsebenzini ama hours made and abasibhadali kahle so.
That's what I'm fighting for. You know, I want women empowerment, you see, so that you work well and get paid well, you see, making sure for young women like you, they advance, you know, and they go far and far. You see, because Spanish are on, go to Spanish sharp, and then you'll be paid well. You know? No. I just wanted to see how serious are you about your job, you know, and your commitment to the cause. You understand? I mean, that's all that I really want to know. You love me, baby. I mean, I love you, baby.
Serious?
I do love you.
Oh, serious?
Njengoko besenditshilo bantu, ii-politicians azixoki. Uthuso uqinisekisa abantu ukuba uthetha inyani, naxa esenza isithembiso uyasikholelwa, nangona esazi okokuba ayiyonyani. Kwiziphathamandla, isent inecala linye.
Morning, handsome. Nakuvuke ngokusekuseni. Vuka.
What time is it?
Ngo-9.
9.
So funa uyakho breakfast. Ofuna ulala imini yakhe.
No. 9. I have to see Mike.
Oh.
No, I have a meeting. We need to sort out my speech. Give me my trouser.
And then mina nyanzelekile ndiyaphi. And then khanye sithethe ngendaba yase-YND. Angithi uthe uzofumana umsebenzi phaa ngibona uzangifonela.
No, you can stay here the whole day. until late. Anytime you feel free, you can go.
Kodwa inamba zami awuzithathanga nje.
Baby, we'll take it from there.
Okay, ke. So ngizolindela i-call yakho ne?
Somebody will call you from the office, and then we'll take it from there. I've got to go.
Oh, okay. Alright, Pops.
I'm fine, thanks. It was nice.
Uzathembisa uba uzawufonela nje?
Hey. Somebody will call you.
Awunamanamba wami nje na?
Bazokufonela ofisini.
Okay, bye. Ndiyakuthanda ne?
Bye.